Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Roku OS is updated and your network is stable. Once done, restart both the Roku and the router. Power cycle for 30 seconds to clear temporary glitches. Next, open the YouTube app and observe any error message or code. Write it down. This matters because specific codes map to different fixes. If the app loads, test a video. If not, move immediately to reinstalling and checking account and network credentials to avoid wasted time. You now focus on the core fixes. Remove the YouTube channel and add it back to force a clean install. This often resolves corrupted app data. Once reinstalled, make sure Roku uses the optimal network band. Try 2. 4 GHz if 5 is flaky. If possible, test on Ethernet for stability. Also, check DNS and disable VPNs or proxies because they often block authentication. Finally, restart the app and sign in again. If playback fails, note behavior for diagnostics. You finish by confirming account and system integrity. Sign out of YouTube on Roku and sign back in, and verify your Google account isn't blocked by two-step verification or permission issues. If problems persist, run a system update or a factory restart from advanced settings. This clears deep errors. Once complete, test playback. If you still have failures, check YouTube on another device to isolate the problem. Then contact Roku or YouTube support with a specific error code for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.